Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with OneDrive for agent commission documents, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Type in the OneDrive website URL and hit enter. If you already have a Microsoft account, click on the sign in button located at the top right corner. Enter your email address associated with your account and click next. On the next page, input your password and click sign in. If you have enabled two-step verification, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. Once logged in, you will be directed to your OneDrive homepage. Navigate to the folder where you want to store agent commission documents. If the folder does not exist, click on New and select Folder to create one. Name your folder appropriately and click Create. To upload documents, click on the Upload button located at the top menu. You can choose the option to upload files or entire folders. Select the documents you wish to upload from your device and click Open. Wait for the upload process to complete. You will see a notification once it's done. To share the documents, right-click on the file or folder you want to share. Select the Share option from the drop-down menu. A sharing panel will appear, where you can enter the email addresses of the individuals with whom you want to share. Choose the permission level, either can edit or can view. Click Send to share the documents. To review or change sharing settings later, right-click the file or folder and choose Manage Access. To find or organize your documents easily, use the search bar at the top of the page. Input keywords related to your commission documents to quickly locate them. You have now successfully authenticated with OneDrive and managed your agent commission documents. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.